Signal Center's assistive technology services has undergone a makeover. With the help of an Amazon affinity group called Glamorous, there were 15 volunteers painting the halls, the instruction classroom, and the back training room. David Leon is Amazon's volunteer coordinator. He Googled volunteer organizations and chose Signal Centers.
So a lot of the people that come in here are vision impaired, so we're here to spruce things up and make a better contrast for them to be able to see a lot better in this building. So we're here painting and brightening things up.
Glamorous is the first group of in-person volunteers Signal Centers has had since COVID. Otis Thompson has been working at Amazon for 22 months. What inspired you to join the Glamorous team?
So when I first came to Amazon, I started seeing Glamorous t-shirts and started seeing things about the meetings, and I realized it was a diversity group, and I'm gay, I'm married. It's nice to see our effect and like improving people's lives or helping, do upgrades to buildings. It's been a really positive experience for me. I never used to do a lot of volunteering, so it's kind of gotten me into that, atmosphere of doing it.
We expected them to make an impact on us, but it turns out we also had a big impact on their lives too.
My family's been touched by Signal Center. My nephew is autistic and he has one of the devices, and I actually had a volunteer come out and help us work with it. So I had heard about you guys before I'd ever been a part of this. And I really like what you guys are doing.
Louise Boggs' 92-year-old mother recently passed away. She had macular degeneration, and Signal Centers was able to help.
Signal Center was a huge help to her continuing to be very productive and part of technology even at 92.
This is allowing us to do the updates and do high contrast again on our walls and baseboards and outline our doors to make the whole building much more accessible for our clients who have low vision and are blind.
Now take a look at the before and after.
And it makes me feel great that I can do this little thing to help make your job hopefully a little easier. This is exactly what I needed. This is good for my soul.
Thank you, Amazon. Come back anytime.